I'm more proud of the company now than I've ever been. I've got a terrific set of guys, a fantastic team.
I actually wanted to be a tennis player when I was growing up.
I wanted to join the army when I was growing up.
A mechanic.
I wanted to be a car mechanic, obviously.
I don't think I could do anything else now.
We've had massive changes in our industry. There's been a real need to invest in training, equipment, and it just feeds the passion of the guys as well. And we don't stop investing, we don't stop training, and that's the bit that works for us all, I think.
I'm proud of the fact that we've gone from being just an MOT and service station to grow into having the hire side, going into diagnostics, air conditioning, all other aspects. I mean, even bodywork we can get done.
I'm proud of the Bosch name, really. I mean, you know, Bosch is, a lot of people, you know, see that as a very reputable name.
I think the proudest moment I've had here was completing all the Bosch diagnostic courses and getting through them all.
Doing my level 4 Master Tech, and that was quite an achievement.
I love meeting customers' needs, and the fact that I get to help them out in a crisis moment for them, I actually really enjoy, because I know that I've made a good contribution to them. So in any way I can help other people is what I love. So, and this job really gives me the opportunity to help other people.
Our whole focus is what's right and best for the person walking through the door, who's got to trust us to be able to spend their money with us and know they're getting the very best they can. So I think that's the bit that probably should make us stand out, and that's what we're aiming for every day.
If money was no objects, the car would be a Bentley GT Coupe.
My favourite car is probably McLaren P1.
A Mark 1 Golf GTI.
The Lamborghini Aventador.
Volkswagen Golf.
One that I don't have to repair.
I just love it here. There's so many opportunities. I mean, it's accelerating at such a high pace, and you know, being part of it is great.
I wouldn't choose to be anywhere else. I love the people, like the staff, the team are fantastic.
I love the customer service side of this job. That's sort of my side, and that's sort of my character, and that's what I love doing.
It's always a new challenge and learning different things every day.
A small company, small family business, been around for 25 years, but still able to be at the forefront of the car repair industry. It's something I feel really proud of and really passionate about.